I tried Ellipal app wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first heard about the Ellipal wallet app, I thought it's just another hardware wallet companion. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Ellipal might be one of the most secure and user-friendly wallets in the crypto world. On day 1, I paired the app with the Ellipal Titan, their air-gapped hardware wallet. Unlike most wallets, Ellipal never connects via Bluetooth, USB or Wi-Fi. Everything runs through QR code scans, meaning your private keys never touch the internet. That alone makes it practically hack-proof. By day 3, I was exploring its mobile app interface. It's surprisingly modern and easy to use. You can buy, swap or stake cryptocurrencies right inside the app, and the transaction speed is smooth. I liked that every operation required manual confirmation through the Titan device, a perfect balance between convenience and safety. On day 5, I decided to test how it handles Diffie and Nefs. The app integrates seamlessly with various blockchain networks, including Ethereum and Ben Chain. Viewing and managing Nefs was effortless, something most wallet apps still struggle with. By day 7, I realized the shocking truth. Ellipal isn't just a wallet app, it's a full security fortress for your crypto. Most people assume high security means poor usability, but Ellipal proves you can have both. The only downside? It's best paired with the physical Titan device, so it's not ideal if you want a 100% free mobile-only option. But if you're serious about safeguarding your crypto assets, Ellipal is worth every penny. In the end, I walked away impressed. Ellipal gives you total peace of mind, no cables, no risks, just pure, offline protection that feels effortless.